Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you on a DoorDash run. Unfortunately, it is raining outside, but we got an order from Wiener Schnitzels, 3.8 miles for $6, and it's the first delivery of my day. So I thought I'd start it off without skipping the first one today. But hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to do this for about an hour, and then at the end of this video, I'll tell you guys how much I earned. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. And if you like this type of content in general, consider subscribing. Here we go. Alright guys, we have showed up at Wiener Schnitzels. I'm currently in the line for the drive-thru. Most of the time you'll have to go through the drive-thru, especially at fast food restaurants, just because COVID doesn't allow for in-house ordering / carry-out. Sometimes you could go inside, but most of the time you'll just have to pick up through the drive-thru. All you have to do here is just pull up and say the person's name that ordered. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that out for their privacy, and then just say DoorDash, here to pick up. Hopefully everything turns out well. Hello, DoorDash?
If you could actually go ahead and park on this side.
Okay.
Let's make a right point to our parking lot right here. We like 2 minutes, right?
Alright, sounds good. Alright, so the order isn't quite ready yet. They're gonna go ahead and pull it out for me. Just had to pull up to the parking for Wiener Schnitzels. Rain's coming inside my car. But anyways, they said they'll have it ready in a couple of minutes. They just didn't want me in the drive-thru holding up the line while the order was being ready, or being prepared. But anyways, quite simple, quite easy, quite a slow order to start off, but hey, that's still fine. Alright guys, I got the order right here. Now, next step, get directions to the customer's house. Good thing is, it isn't really that far away. We got about half a mile to go. Flight after arrival. Confirm the 2 items. Be sure to confirm the order. Make sure everything is there. Confirm. Bada bing, bada boom. And then directions to the customer's house. Make sure the drinks don't actually tip over. Just be safe with that. Don't want my car getting all messy either. Hello. Here we go.
Thank you.
Apologies for that.
It's cool. Thank
You have an amazing lunch. You too. And there you go, guys. It is as simple and as easy as that. Sure, that was a slow start, about $6 for 20 minutes. But even at that rate, you're making roughly $18 an hour. And as I said, that is pretty slow. You sometimes make $30. You make $40 an hour is the max I've ever made. And then sometimes you just make like $18 an hour. So it's a nice mix. Hope you guys found this informative and hope you guys liked the ride along. I'm already getting another order, and it's not that amazing, but I think I'll go ahead and skip that one. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, and I might do a constant 80-hour type of thing and see how much I make after 80 hours or 24 hours or a big combo of hours. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys later.